The Turkish Ministry of National Defense announced on its Twitter account that the technical delegation of the Ministry of National Defense went to the USA upon invitation for talks within the scope of the supply of F-16 Block 70 fighter jets and modernization kits. The Ministry of National Defense also mentioned that 3 meetings were held in Turkey in December 2021, February 2022, and March 2022 for the supply of F-16 Block 70. After the NATO Defense Ministers Meeting, which was held in Brussels and lasted for 2 days, the Minister of National Defense Hulusi Akar announced that technical work had been initiated regarding the negotiations with the USA on the procurement of new F-16 fighter jets and the modernization of some existing F-16 warplanes. In his statement, Minister Akar said, "The F-16 we have need to be renewed. Technical work has been started for both the supply of Block 70 Viper F16 and the modernization of some aircraft from our strategic ally, friend USA. We follow the process," had stated. Offered to Turkey by Frank Pallone to prevent the sale of F-16 Block 70 warplanes and modernization kits, the Pallone bill, which bans the sale of F-16 to Turkey if it does not serve U.S. national interests and does not provide a guarantee that Greek airspace will not be violated, was passed with 179 number 244 votes. All members who voted in the voting held on July 14, 2022 were registered. As quoted by defense industry researcher Artem Mavlidoglu, the bill will enter the NDAA 2023 draft. The NDAA has drafts prepared by the House of Representatives and the Senate. In this context, Mavlidoglu states that the NDAAs were combined in a mixed commission, turned into a single draft and submitted to the approval of the President, and that the President still has the veto right.